Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you my latest project that I'll be traveling around with and working on. This one here is a full round drill. It is a 30 by 40. It was given to me as a Christmas present, so I'm not sure where it's from, but I will put in the comments section where it's from. But I was just so excited to get started on this one, so I've kitted it up and got it all ready to go. So this one here, as I said, it's full round drill. It has 33 colors in it, which is quite impressive. I love the image. It's got some beautiful colors happening, so it's just going to come up so good. So I'll just zoom in and we'll have a look at that drill field. It's really clear, really easy to see. Even those dark colors, your A's and your C's, very easy to see. Once you get into your those sort of blue colors here, they're a little bit harder to see. It's better on camera actually, but even still, with a light pad, you're not going to have any problems whatsoever. So that is just looking fantastic. I'll take you down to the symbol key. Here we go. There you go, 33 colors. It's going to come up awesome. So I'll zoom you right back out again. There we go. So with this one here, I've already kitted it up like I said. I'm going to show you how I've kitted that up. With your symbol key, you've got a bunch of ABCDs and symbols and all that sort of thing, and they're all they're not in alphabetical order. So when I kit these things up, I always kit them up in alphabetical order, because otherwise I'm running around trying to figure out where this color is and where that color is, and it's it slows me down. So I'll show you how I've kitted this up. I've got it in, flip this over, got it in one of my traveling cases here, and I love this case. I use it all the time. It holds 28 colors. It comes in these 4 groups of 4, and they actually hold quite a bit for that size. So when I kit them up, I do up my little stickers and I do them in alphabetical order. I put them on the containers, and then I start from one, like the first one, straight down the key. So I think the first one was, let me flip it back over again. First one was U. So I'd open packet number 1. I'd bring out container U and pop them in there, and so on. So that's how I do it. People do it different ways, but that's how I do it. It's just easier for me to locate my colors quickly and efficiently. So flipping back over again, there's my colors. Got my extra one. And I'll just show you the little kit that I do up when I take these around. So I have this great container. It's a great size. And I just put my colors in there. Chuck them in. Got my jewel pen. Got my extra colors. Chuck them in there. Got a jewel tray. Extra wax. And in this little bag here, I've got my cover minder. So this cover minder here, it's actually magnetic hematite earrings. It's actually an amethyst heart hematite back. I really wanted a cover minder, and I thought, I'm not buying cover minder. I'm sure I can find something that I can use. And then I realized, oh, I've got my earrings. I never wore them because they were too tight. And I tell you what, they work a treat. So there you go. You want to hack on that? You got it. So I've got 1 pair in here and 1 pair for my normal projects that I do. Chuck that in there. Got my lid. This is a great container, and I think, look, I got it at the grocery store for about $4. And that's how I take my stuff around. So there you go, there's my clown. 33 colors. I'll do a sticky test. Haven't done that yet, have I? And that is super sticky. So looking forward to doing this one. This is just going to come up so awesome. You got a bit of confetti stuff going on, but I think that's just going to make it really pop and really look awesome. So I'll be doing a work in progress on this one right through to the finished product, and we'll see how this turns out, but I reckon this is going to be a goodie. So stay tuned and we'll see how this turns out. Well, didn't this turn out pretty good? I'm really happy with how that turned out. Doesn't it look great? So the 33 colors that came with this kit paid off. It was a bit confetti-ish in some areas, but I think it definitely paid off. They came up really, really good. I'll just zoom in so you can have a look at some of the detail. So it came up great. Really happy with that one. The canvas was quite good. The glue was really good. The only issue I had was the drills. Most of them were really good, but the black and the dark blue in particular they had a lot of drills that were not uniform and had all little bits all stuck all over them, but they did give you quite a few extras, so I had no trouble picking out good ones and applying them to the canvas. So I'm really, really happy with that. So we'll zoom you back out again. Go. And we'll have a look at what was left over with the drills. Now this particular canvas was from Everyday eCrafts, and it was actually written in the corner there, but I wanted to double check before I said it was from there, and it wasn't. So Everyday eCrafts it was from. So we'll have a look at the leftover drills. I had quite a few. They were the ones that weren't very good, but I had heaps left over, so it's not that big of a deal. So with your other colors, there was a lot left over. Heaps left over. And like I said, the drills were actually really good. It was just those couple that I had to fish around to find some good ones. But yeah, there was heaps there. Pretty good. And my reject drills, not many really, considering. Pretty good. So I'll take all that off there. Flipping back over again. Nice shine there. Pretty happy with that, actually. So there you go. There's my mask from Everyday eCrafts. Full round drill. Very, very happy with that one. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video I will have it finished off. I will seal it and I will put black tape around the edging and pop it in my folder. So look out for that one at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!